Welcome to this MachineBuilder Quick Tips video on T-Slot Surface Translation. T-Slot Surface Translation allows you to slide individual or grouped components along the slotted surfaces of Vention extrusions and actuator bodies, enabling easy repositioning during the design phase. To relocate a component, first left-click on it, then using the slider on screen, relocate it to your desired location, and let go to confirm. If the selected part has additional components that can translate along the same axis, they will also move along when the slider is dragged. It should be noted that the slider's range ensures components remain connected to the assembly. If no slider appears, then the components are fully constrained. If a component can move in multiple directions, all available sliders will appear when selected. Drag the appropriate slider to translate the component in the desired direction. You can also translate multiple disconnected components if they share the same translation axis and remain connected to the assembly. Do this by selecting all the components you would like to move and use the on-screen slider to translate them.